Hi, John Kelly from Web Support, back again for our third part of our tutorial series. Last we left off on how to place an image here on this page, and we removed it. And in this one we're going to show you how to put a video in a page. And first let's talk about why would we want to put a video on a page. Well, needless to say, you may have a business, then you may have a video about your business. However, there's something a little more important than that. Not only do we want the public to see that, but we also want search engines to see that. So my recommendation for any video is to place it on YouTube. Reason being is YouTube is owned by Google, and YouTube also allows you to have three key elements added to your video, such as a descriptive title, keywords, and a description about what the video is about. So when you do a search in Google, don't be surprised when you see video results come up as well. So that might be very, very important for your business. If somebody does a search, why not have a video also come up in the search results? So it's a good idea to have a video placed on your website, and it's very simple to create videos anymore. I mean, there's a simple cell phone recorder is about as much as you need anymore, like a BlackBerry or an iPhone or something like that. But something a little better quality, perhaps like a flip phone or something, would be a little better. YouTube is very simple to use. It's free, completely free. You can upload your videos for free. And if you're a new YouTube user, you're only allowed up to 10 minutes of video time added. As you add a whole bunch of them, you're allowed up to 15 minutes worth of video time. So you got to keep your videos under 15 minutes, or excuse me, under 10 minutes to begin with. All right. So where do we want to put a video? Well, first off, let me tell you about a common mistake some members have been doing already, and that is taking a video of their salon and placing it right smack in the middle of their homepage. It's not a good idea. You're thinking it's a great idea because people come in, they click the video and see what you're all about. That's not the way the website is designed. The way the website is designed is to attract new customers based on all the elements that we placed on the page to get them to come to you, to get them to at least notify you or at least opt in with you. So placing the video in the middle of your page is actually more of a distraction than anything. Where is a good place for a video? If it were me, I would probably place it on our staff page or perhaps on our services page. And this would be a good place because if you're going to have a description about your salon and your services, this would be a great place to do it. So that would be my recommendation for a video. But keep in mind that a video is excellent when it comes for search engine results, especially in Google. And considering Google takes up about 80% of the market share when it comes to people searching for things as opposed to Yahoo and Bing, I think that's a pretty important aspect. So, all right, how do we put a video in here? Well, here's what we do. First, let's go back into the admin panel. If you remember, we had a login. As you can see, I'm already logged in, and it takes me into my dashboard. Now, I said I wanted to place a video on, let's say, the services page. Okay. Now, by the way, now that we're on this pages menu, notice that I also have other pages that are indented with a hyphen in front of them. That simply means that is a subpage of services. So anything that falls under it that's indented under a page will be a subpage. So you can have multiple levels of subpages. I don't recommend going any more than 3 levels deep. So services right here is our top level page on our navigation menu, and underneath of it falls these 3 subpages. Okay, so if I go into services to add my video, I'm going to click on it, and once again I can open up my editor screen a little wider, and then I get to decide where on this page I want to place my video. Maybe I want to place it at the very top, maybe I want to place it at the bottom. I'm going to place it underneath these 3 menu items. And if you notice on your menu bar up here, you have a button that says YouTube. Click on that, and that's going to ask you for the URL, or in other words, the web address of where the video is hosted on YouTube. Okay, so how do we go get that? Well, what we can do for now is we can go up here and let's say that we open up a new browser tab and we go to YouTube. Alright, and we're just going to pick up, and notice that YouTube is searchable, by the way, and that's again why it's important to make a title, a description, and keywords when you upload your video. Alright, so we'll go to YouTube, just to the home page, and we're just going to pick a video out here. And how about Lady Gaga and a Grammy red carpet? So this will date this video with her stupid egg. Okay, so here's what we do. We're simply going to go to the video, and if you notice, when you clicked on the video, it starts playing. Well, up top here, you'll see the actual URL to that video. So all I have to do is click on that, copy, or actually highlight this whole thing, right click, or do a Control C and copy it, and then go back to our website again, click on YouTube, paste it, and that's it. If you notice, all it did is it put in the URL of where that video is. Okay, as far as dimensions, yeah, you can play with this, but if I were you, just leave it be. It's already preset. So just click OK. And if you notice that there's some brackets here saying YouTube, and ending bracket here with a slash YouTube. Slash meaning it's ending that piece of code. Okay, so if we preview our change, we go to the front end, and there we go. You've just put a video on your website. So we want to test it out. Why not? Now let's go into YouTube to pull in the video to your site. This may be a little slow because I am in preview mode here. If it was live mode, it would probably work a little faster. Yep, here comes Lady Gaga and her stupid egg. Okay, so that is how that works as far as adding a video to your website. So as you can see, it centers it, puts it in at the right size for you, and it does it all for you. What can I say? It's a great option. It's a great thing to do. It's not mandatory for your website to have a video, but it is a good idea, and it does, you know, as people begin to search your website and they do start to know about your services or want to know more about it, I would make a video about your services and a little tour of your salon or your business or whatever that business may be, and that's how you do it. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this video off the page. So, and the other option I had to do there also was an undo button. So as you can see, it's just like an email or a Word or something like that where I can undo my changes. I'm going to make sure I update this page so it stays the same. And that's it. That's it for videos. If you have any questions on that, you can certainly contact us at web support. Again, my name is John Kelly, and I will see you in the next tutorial, tutorial number 4.